My name is Bill Conley, Guill Tool and Engineering Sales Manager. Welcome to the NPE 2018 trade show. I'm going to introduce you to the MAGS Crosshead. MAGS stands for Manually Adjustable Gum Space. The MAGS Crosshead is an adjustable center crosshead. 4 adjusting bolts move the die to center it around the core. The die is removed from the front of the head by rotating the die nut. Close the gum space by tightening up the die nut also. The next feature that we're going to point out is our water-cooled jacket. The water-cooled jacket is a removable jacket, contrary to most other water-cooled devices that you see out there. Usually the jacketing is inside the body itself. They use water. The water becomes contaminated. The contaminated water will block off the channels, which in turn will cause the water cooling to fail. This is a neat little feature where the water cooling is self-contained in the cast bracket. Just unbolt the bracket, take it off, put a new one on, and you're off to the races. You don't have to wait to get it cleaned out. Most water-cooled crossheads have the deflector or the flow distribution system is bolted in place. It takes quite a bit of time to release it. You have to unscrew the bolts in the back of the head. This is a unique feature, which is basically a cam system. Slap it, pull it apart. The crosshead's completely opened up, easy for you to clean. Clean what you have to take apart here. Once you change the tip, die comes out from the front. Just bring the head in, lock it up, and you're done. Now we make it to the MAGS portion of the crosshead. MAGS is, again, manually adjustable gum space. Basically what you would use a power drill that could actually, as you can see, the die nut is moving. This is moving the core tube in and out. The beauty of this design is that you can actually make adjustments on the fly while there's rubber in the crosshead. You get a great mechanical advantage with the ball screw that you have here, and you'll find that gum space adjustment is very easy. Thank you for viewing our guided tour through the MAGS Crosshead. Again, MAGS means Manually Adjustable Crosshead. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Guill Tool and Engineering. Telephone number is 401-828-7600. Thank you.